Welcome students to the second part of chapter 6. The Rajputs of Rajasthan were a powerful group in India at that time under the leadership of Rana Sanga of Mewar. Babur realized the threat coming from Rana Sanga but was faced with a severe problem where his soldiers were complaining and wanted to return to Kabul. Babur, with his leadership skills, succeeded in keeping them back and, along with his army, marched towards Khanwa and met the huge Rajput army of Rana Sanga. Here we shall see how Babur won over Rana Sanga in the Battle of Khanwa. It was a battle between Babur and Rana Sanga of Mewar, the leader of Rajputs. Though the chances of winning was less, Babur, with the strength of prayer, fighting 10 long hours of battle, using his clever tactics, artillery, and with no major opposition, attained victory over Rana Sanga and firmly established Mughal rule in India. Babur's last opposition in India came from the Afghans. Babur crossed the river Ganga and met the Afghans at the Battle of Ghagra in 1529 using his strong artillery and boats. Thus laid the foundation of the Mughal Empire in India from Delhi to Bengal along with a large part of the Rajasthan. However, Babur could not reign for too long and was unable to organize the empire. In 1530, when his son Humayun fell very ill, it is said that Babur offered his own life to God in place of his son. Humayun recovered, and soon that year Babur died of an illness. Babur was not only a military genius but also a lover of nature. He constructed gardens wherever he felt nature looked beautiful. Babur had unusual talent for writing and poetry other than being a ruler. He wrote his autobiography Baburnama in Turkic language. Thus, Babur is rightly considered the founder of the Mughal Empire in India. So, students, here we end the chapter. Your task is to go through the chapter very minutely, along with know this and new words learnt columns. Thank you, children, and remain well.